in a very pure way. وَاجْعَلْ لَنَا عِنْدَهُمْ كَاسَاتْ حُسْنٍ تُدُورُ. He's speaking of kasat. A kats is a cup. And what do you put in a cup? Some form of drink that then you drink. And there's different types of drink. And then he's going to speak here about this type of drink. فِيهَا الْهُدَى وَالْمَعَارِفُ وَالشَّرَابَ الطُّهُورِ. In this kas, in this cup that you are drinking, in it is guidance and knowledge and a purifying drink. And so Allah Ta'ala says in His book, وَسَقَاهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ شَرَابًا طَهُورًا. Directly, even though there are intermediaries in paradise, but their Lord gave them to drink from a purifying drink. So what is a sharab at-tahur? This purifying drink. Outwardly, yes, that we were drinking coffee and maybe a little bit of water, but this is not the type of drink that he is referring to here. Is it spiritually, is that the heart and the soul drinks in a very different way. It drinks from the blessed light and mercy and the sweet breezes that descend upon gatherings like this. It is as if that we are drinking spiritually just by being present, a meaning that the heart understands even though it might not be able to articulate it. This is what he's referring to here, and this is what he's asking for. Kasat husn, these cups of utter beauty that tadur, that are then passed out. And no one physically is going to be passing out, but it's something that if we open up our heart to it, it will experience. Nadhuk adwaq. And then what happens is that you start to taste, experience beautiful things. Ma qad tandabat fi sutur. It's not possible to really put them to paper and to write about them. وَمَا هِي إِلَّا مَوَاهِبْ لِأَهْلِ طُهْرِ الصُّدُورِ. Is that these are gifts that Allah Ta'ala gives to those who strive to purify their heart. That's our job, is that we work on ourselves. We strive to purify our heart. We recognize the various vices among which we just heard, and that all of the others as well, and we remove them from our hearts, or we, rather should I say, strive to have them be removed from our hearts. And then what happens, these blessed people who receive this aqwam, there are people, ikhtassahum Rabbul Baraya. The Lord of all creation has singled them out, and Allah is the Ghafoor bi asrar hadrateh. They have very secret understandings of meanings that Allah Ta'ala singles them out with. Li minha dawair tadur. And then he says, Wali biha kullu amr al-batin and wadhahur ya ikhwan darat ku'usin ma'rifa al-khuyur. He's giving glad tidings, is that this is what happens in gatherings like this. And then he says that hani'an, that congratulating everybody who's present, that they attain this expansion of the heart